The Ukrainian forces are continuing their advance in the Donetsk region. Soldiers of the National Guard shot a video near the building of the Sviatohirska City Council, confirming that they control the city. The Territorial Defense Forces installed the flag of Ukraine in the village of Stralcha, Kharkiv region on the border with Russia.
Слава Україні! Героям слава!
Reportedly filmed in Crimea, this video shows a Russian Sukhoi Su-25 heroically demilitarizing itself in a demonstration of solidarity with Ukraine.
Эх, ёб твою мать!
This is intense footage of Ukrainian troops ambushing a Russian vehicle in the outskirts of Crimea. This is a typical ambush of Ukrainian special forces. See how they get the job done and retreat at the end.
Ебать! Добивай! Серега! Серега! Здорово, Крей! Вперед! 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 Швидше! Дорогу, дорогу, Крій! Швидко забрали відход! Бігом! Фланг забирай, Серега! Серега, крий дорогу! Один! Крой, крой, крой! Горить, горить, Валя! Отход! Коридор!
Russian BM-21 Grad MLRS captured by Ukraine in Kharkiv Oblast.
Ще трошки нахуй пойдет в работу нахуй.
Here Ukrainian forces captured a fairly uncommon Russian 1V-14 battery command and forward observer vehicle in good condition during battles in Izium.
Слава Україні!
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.